Erade ne kan say yeda wase.
Amen.
Osefo no yesenko odi ni papa eto amenem na we piana to amenem a na nka ontumi pie mu. Na so Erade ye frɛ wo and then name say Erade tie ye mpaibo. Na ma wasamunda ne di. Na wo no krenta ne di no. Erade yeda wase say wa yama ye. Erade ne ka biam no say nipa boni biara. Oni susu boni nyano onye wie enti enda okotena baby na we susu ensusu boni so batia nipa de ye vampire Erade di mu se na adwuma ni honhom na no ni na ojantomo ye so de mo amen ebi se wasam se na oboniafo trasia ni papa babre aniti oboniafo dwuma boni biara etia ni papa no embre we yegina Erade wudi mu rikase aboniafo gine ni na ye brenase se enonyam na betenedi na nkunimdi bela ne di awu eja oba ne susu konkro di mu nti amen
amen amen
That's Bebre, Evangelist Wisdom. Na Yadamu Amoka Wina say, Ayeni, so Chief Charles na start ya running na Stephen Kenneth na Kuja, Big Sam Beat, Onona, ne Abebo, piano Yamai, Amaha, Aye, the say, I'll say a day, live worship can't show this agenda. More than papa, do I ever consider that in the background? But Yanni and Yano be came command sana Nanapia Mesa about line so finally near the National Community and call landing. You and be my back home, UK mamu. In fact, you can number one name men's good in Semon. You just said you know Dimua cutting pan. Easy. Brana be Brian Brennan do them. No friend say, I'm with you. I'm never Yamokano to show much until I didn't also kind. Out na Ghana na Okandia na Okoda na Reso dan Watuma. But somebody no mutimika papa. Eye ni Stanley Codier, Adona Fred KOD. Then Scotland near me son say, by this time me send it here man. Stanley, good morning.
Morning no Sammy Flex, Bibi Aboko.
Na me adomo Bibi Aboko na me gidi say onso ho ye.
Me ho nya me Sammy na unya be ya de na me ho nya e de na o kam
se mate se awie bi a air ball landing nti me ka se bia na wayemre awie na bo wa ma wayemre
o de on beti o mo bobo live video ewia wi me be say me white area book live ni mo physical na to
na KOD ye
he said, yeah, me too, Sammy.
Now me baby say, but the year dream, the experience the same. Me person me home, even ye. I know see ye. But the year dream pono, and near ma why ye any experience have come be needing.
Yes, I mean, all say men's good at the whole men's good issue is start here. No, they be American. Me blaming customers they were lost in situation. You know, it's because the way I issue here, you know, they were not getting the right information. It's like say in Pontia so they end up falling in the hands of the wrong people, and the wrong people fed them with the wrong information. And in Anapia Mesako Pierre Dubai, no, because of how our horizon more, you know, everybody thought that is the end of Anapia. Nobody knew one day, Nanapia Pepagana, Maya Billy, Namawai free man. And to be also, no campus, and an American, Nanapia BC Ghana say cream. Nkofone kan kwase ase ni nyina in his absence no omo nyina ye right, and that alone should tell Ghanaian say na akola dey plot say be gu n'animas. It was easy to tell say be gu n'animas, and because of say in being phone na kika asa asem ni kire Ghana fo nti obi to say me kan ya yentie me kan ya so boa you have to keep doing it. Forget about the insult. They threatened my family. They went to my family to threaten them to tell me to shut up. You see, it costs a whole lot of things, but if you know what you are believing in and you know the truth, you can only stand for the truth. Because when you say the truth, you don't have to remember anything. I always say this: who can cry? You don't have to remember anything. And you're not Ukrainian, Sammy.
I see. A dreamibia na a hunka crabo, a brand now say a man for a threatening and asifono. A dreamibia hunka crabo, and
Kacho can be man.
na me bisa say ebra na okasa man for start threaten wo ne wabusuafo no na me bisa say ehu bo wa na afi usro
Sami mi yeso jeni mi so jeni mi yede usro nipa na nkofo no mo threaten me no omo etu afọ omti ho da wo betimi threaten me wo sigi na wo ti Ghana ye di lo aso nsem odi ye kwase ade wo betimi threaten me ke odi wo betimi threaten me ke odi every time I wanted them to take action for me to see. Who better not threaten so they never go Afghanistan. Now I wanted them to take action for me to see. This is the time Nana Appiah Mensah has to be straight. No more hypocrisy. When he was out of the country, we all saw the people that stood for him and the people that didn't stand for him. And then we not build and his security one, his customers second. Now no hypocrisy. He doesn't know anybody. He should focus on his business, pay his customers, mind his business, cut certain or brag, but didn't show him any love. They cannot go simple. This is how they paid him back. Upon all Sikawa mom. Ghana for your ungrateful, Sammy. I'm saying Ghana for you very ungrateful. They are wrong people to work with, and not Appiah should work with white people. Ghanaians, most Ghanaians, and not all, most Ghanaians are wrong people to work with. They are hypocrites.
Let's see. Now, I am passing Martin Posa Usro about Ghana because of a Kuma men's gold. The Usro said that in Pobeti Mias Abba Kotoka International Airport. I don't say Yampa.
Nija Papa, my imagine say me ba on me chimi. Once I say me ba, you know, Yoko for be press release, mommy. Oko mu database that was here on be press release, mommy. Man, before be ebe can one said the middle court in ya. So me nempa I say make your map me out to her. All because say me hunu krena me kan but Ghana ye me man me ba me report ya ma British Army wa hanum me report ya ma ahanum amomo hu say me ko and these are the people on betimi aye bibi I'll let ahanum be hu say we na me ye so Ghana ye me man omu kosuruba for me ba me krom ga mo de but me message ba ko
I koso
and na nyame aya dom Nana Appiah Mensah pie no me pese ye papa se wotie mi anaso bi tia obi nka tie ye papa ade we ye papa Nana Addo Dankwa how a otumi frɛ Asamoah Gyan a oni ni tina ase o ka tie ni se onko no nko bo Afcon no me pese ye pa enfrɛ Nana Appiah no bisa ni se me ba che asɛm ni mo kyerɛ mi na se wo se me ba nkofo bi mo a me pa mo e die ni si ye you know again I believe say there are people around Papa now or more painting and one black ama Papa. I'm telling you, and these things will be team no bit me catch here Papa na Nadwa on friend and Appiah to me fresh Shatawali or to me fresh Stonebwoy on friend and Appiah antina say me ba again you see economy and this thing will help the whole Ghana including him Nana Addo himself and city Ghana. They're very important part for me.
Yate KOD, congratulations to you. Mejidi say wakumakopa.
Let's go customers that as well. Kami fast that man yami from the start. Apologies to God. All means go customers that were loyal. God bless all of them. And Sami Musu Charlie, keep on doing the good work. Why? The security is very important. Pamacho. Why?
KOD, yeah that's it. Me probably beshia near Santuaso.
Metro on mobile or Facebook.
Obeka Simbia out I Capano.
It's in the physical boy and then it's him.
Now missions, congratulations.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Oh, no, me alone.
Nice one. Now, Pacho, when I'm the say.
And Pacho, do you know the Casanamish president?
Oh, Presido Nankasani. Nice one. Doji, congratulations. Now, Mohammed, maybe someone not at the same for the past almost drew 1 year punio. Let us say, then you might say, not Babamu to say, and my missions for.
Tell me, you see a better in people. Meaning a mechanism. Many are Diama. Abroso because he chief Nana Appiah Mensah. Well, people actually among for saying a mere also no. Also saying of Bobia. Because I mean, saying about the poor now, for Eddie, a good year, Eddie Yan. Say, I come for. Na yɛn nam sipɔ kɔ afɔ deɛ ɛna yɛ sɔkɔ tún nana ase ɔbɔ amafɔ po ebi atake o but nɛnɛ dakɛseɛ ɛma n'ayɔ pɔn ɛne kaso azo wɔnyini ɛne kaso ahemfo nneɛma nyinaa ɛne mpaeɛ ɛne nsɛm egu a nɛnɛ nyakopɔn ɛkyɛ yɛ mpaeɛ bɔ mu bibiara.
Good. Na Ebasa no members maybe super bar na ebi hu say anye ye bi ma me pa be bi fa.
Yeah. So you use your sian for no kwampo no e to bring so no ebi pa ba. This pa na me should share across the nation almost 2.8 I mean 2.8 across the nation. You want 27 branches. Yeah, first and I'm from who him pool. They force guys to wear that uniform. But it means you know how point we know. Then we say you go as you be living journey the year.
Amen. Doji, Nyamisha, once again, Yankasa, congratulations, and Mamo, na missions, Monsuma idea. Yes, ready, Yami, Ebe, Yaka. Why? Let us see. Yes, yeah. I am a sad, I am so.